Good morning, everybody. So it is early morning. We are here at the RB Power Garage in Acquista Performance. So Brandon at Acquista Performance is going to be doing a custom exhaust on the old Evo. So that's why we're here. I'll get into it. I'll show you guys what we're doing, but the gist of things, we're pretty much we're leaving the downpipe because I'm going to do an aftermarket downpipe, and we're just going to do custom 3-inch all the way back, and we're going to reuse my NVIDIA mufflers. Right now this is a Vibrant resonator with a MagnaFlow muffler and then the two NVIDIAs, and I believe it's like a 2.5 inch or 2 3/4. It's nothing crazy, so we want more flow and we want more loud. Anyway, I'm letting the car cool off. Brendan's still on his way, so I got here early, of course, like I always do. So here we go. This is the exhaust that we're taking off. Resonator from Vibrant. MagnaFlow muffler. It comes out through here. And we got the two NVIDIAs. So I'm going to keep these two, and we're going to do 3-inch the whole way. You know, if you don't come to RB Power, well, you're missing out. Like, first of all, not only does he do good work, but goddamn, bro, you get to see this. What's that? Yep, you already know. Come on, come on. And legend says if you're lucky, you get to see the 1100 horsepower GTR. Today's not my lucky day, but one day. We're gonna be starting up the Evo real quick. So, you ready? We just found out I have an AMS downpipe, which means that this car's probably tuned. It should be. I'm not throwing any codes, so I'm gonna bank on it that it is. Check that out. Learn something new every day.
Sounds good. What you think? You like it?
Yeah.
Sounds good?
Yeah.
Nice.
Quick.
Holy shit. All it took was for her to breathe a little bit. Dude, I gotta tell you, I launched it, what you saw in that clip, I felt G's on that pole. Oh my God, I've never felt that in this car. So all it took was getting a little bit more airflow, and the car's loving it. So we're not done with the exhaust yet. We have a couple things we're gonna do yet to it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get the ETS cap back. We're gonna do V-band. We're gonna put it all back together so that way the exhaust is in 2 pieces. We're gonna get rid of the NVIDIA stuff. It's 2.5 inch. We don't want that. We want it full 3. So anyways, that is where we're at, and you guys will be updated in the next part. I don't even know where to start. Boy, oh, it's spicy. Oh, it's spicy. So here we have it. This is the ETS dual muffler exhaust. This is what we have been waiting on. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna weld on a V-band to what we did, blah, 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 all that stuff. Kind of dark in there. Yeah, that's nice. Some reinforcements. There we go. We're ready to finish the exhaust.
Safety first, kids.
Oh.
I should have done that. Gotta have your glasses.
We got glasses.
Alright, well, I didn't have glasses, so I'm just gonna have to send it. And I really don't think this blade's gonna do it, but we'll see. We need a different plate.
Are we making progress?
Let me, I just don't want it to skip around everywhere while I'm cutting it. Let me just call him first. Ooh, spicy.
Oh no, you can't have that. No.
Sorry. No. I thought it was a toy.
Oh, he's such lovey.
Okay, well, I mean, give me updates like this. You think one for the blue car?
So the Evo's home. It's running. It needs a tune so bad. As you can tell, it's starting to rain. It's just dripping right now. Back behind us is dark. Apparently we have a tropical storm or a hurricane or something going on. But I'm gonna get a couple more exhaust clips. Spicy. So as you can tell, sounds pretty good compared to the last setup. But yeah, it's starting to rain harder. So we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Anyways, if you guys like this video, please go ahead, give me a like, comment, share, turn on post notifications, subscribe. It does so much, it means so much to me, it really does. So anyways, that is gonna conclude of this video. We're gonna go ahead and get started on getting this thing tuned. I'm gonna go ahead, do all that good stuff, but you're gonna have to see that in the next video. I'll catch you guys next time. See ya!